Number 5. The Corsair 2000D Airflow mini-itx. Case is a meticulously engineered compact chassis designed to deliver exceptional cooling performance without compromising on style or functionality. Despite its small footprint, this case is built to house high-performance components with a strong focus on airflow and thermal efficiency. Its mesh front, side, and top panels ensure maximum ventilation, enabling cool air to flow freely over internal hardware, making it ideal for gaming or workstation builds that generate considerable heat. With support for up to 8 120mm fans or multiple 140mm options, along with compatibility for radiators up to 360mm. Number 4. The Fractal Design Terra mini-itx. Case is a beautifully sleek enclosure that seamlessly blends refined aesthetics with a strong commitment to sustainability and airflow performance. Wrapped in recycled steel and plastic materials, it offers a premium feel while minimizing environmental impact, all without sacrificing structural rigidity or build quality. The front and top panels feature a sophisticated mesh design that encourages robust air circulation, ensuring every component enjoys a steady stream of cool air, whether you're running a powerful GPU or a high-end processor. Inside, the optimized layout accommodates a full-sized graphics card up to 335mm long. Number 3. The Lian Q58 is a standout compact mini-itx case that masterfully balances sleek design with impressive cooling capabilities and versatile customization options. Its robust aluminum chassis gives it a premium lightweight feel while maintaining durability, and the uniquely reversible orientation lets builders choose between a compact tower or a more spacious desktop layout, enhancing flexibility in tight setups or diverse workspace environments. The front, top, and side ventilation grills, combined with support for multiple 120mm fans and compatibility with a 240mm radiator, ensure efficient airflow across critical components, keeping temperatures low even under heavy processing or gaming loads. The interior is intelligently organized. Number 2. The Fractal Design Ridge mini-itx case is a striking fusion of minimalist elegance and efficient cooling, perfect for compact yet powerful PC builds. Its refined angular aluminum and steel exterior exudes a modern industrial charm while keeping the form factor compact enough to fit seamlessly into any setup. Thoughtful airflow design includes expansive vents along the front and side panels, ensuring smooth, unobstructed intake and exhaust, which is ideal for maintaining optimal temperatures under load. Inside, the case accommodates full-length graphics cards up to 325mm, support for SFX and SFXL power supplies. Number 1. The Fractal Design Torrent Nano mini-itx case is a dynamic powerhouse in a compact footprint, engineered to deliver maximal cooling performance for high-end builds. Its bold, open mesh front and top panels, accompanied by integrated high static pressure 120mm fans, ensure aggressive airflow that channels cool air straight onto the GPU, keeping thermals impressively low even under demanding workloads. The spacious interior, unique for a case of its size, still accommodates full-length graphics cards up to 339mm and an SFX or SFX-L power supply, while providing mounting support for a 240mm radiator, enabling robust liquid cooling configurations. Thoughtful design accents like detachable magnetic dust filters and a dual-chamber layout help isolate airflows and simplify maintenance, all while delivering a clean, cable-managed build. Despite its compact form, the Torrent Nano includes support for multiple SSDs and even a 2.5-inch HDD,